Hi kids, my name is Lucy and I'm a yoga student in Richmond, Virginia at Hot Yoga Richmond. And this is my friend Rachel, and she's my yoga teacher. And we thought it might be fun for you guys to do some yoga exercises. So I'm gonna turn it over to Rachel.
Hi guys, we start every yoga practice in class with a breathing exercise to get you feeling nice and calm and really good. That's the real goal of yoga, is to feel good. So we'll just start with 3 slow synchronized breaths. So sit in a comfortable position, whatever that is. I'm gonna sit in half lotus.
I'm gonna sit in crisscross applesauce.
Perfect. And we'll take 3 slow synchronized breaths. So sit up nice and straight, spine tall. You can close your eyes. And then inhale to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. And hold for 1, 2, 3. Good. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. And then just breathe normally in through your nose and out through your nose. And then notice how you already feel better. Next, we're gonna warm up the spine a little bit. First stretch, bring your right hand to the floor, plant your palm, reach your left arm up, and then over to the right. And then just relax your head. Feel a stretch down the left side of your body and keep breathing through your nose. And then switch sides, left hand down, right arm up and over. Don't have to bend very far, just far enough to feel the stretch where you feel good. And then go the other way one more time. Right hand down, left arm up and over. Neck relaxes, stretch all the way through your fingertips. And then other side one more time. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Let your neck relax. And then plant both palms on the ground. We'll do a little tiny back bend. So inhale, lift your chest, and then just let your head drop back. Gentle with the neck. Then slowly bring your head up. And gently tuck your chin to your chest, little forward round. And then bring your head back to a neutral position. Good, we'll do one shoulder stretch here. Bring the right arm up and over, bend the elbow, and then grab your right elbow with your left hand. Keep your spine nice and tall. Keep breathing normally in through your nose, out through your nose. And then switch arms. Bend the left arm, grab your left elbow with your right hand. Try to keep your chin lifted, spine straight. Very good. And then arms relax. Next, we'll do a little hip stretch with a posture called rock the baby. So you hold your leg like a baby. You push your foot in your elbow, your knee in the other elbow, and then you just gently rock it back and forth. Keeping your spine as straight as you can. Good, really good. And then try the other side. Keep your spine nice and straight, lift your chest up, just little gentle rocks. It's just a baby.
That's right.
Okay, and then from here we'll do a little bit more spine movement. We'll do some cats and cows. So you come to a tabletop position. I'll do it sideways so you can see how my spine's moving. And then Lucy will face forward. On an inhale, you'll look up, drop your belly down, nice wide collarbone. This is cow. Not really sure why, but it's cow. And then cat, round your spine like a kitty cat. Push the floor away. Good. Inhale, look up. Let your belly drop down, lift your tailbone up, nice wide collarbone. And then exhale, cat. And then inhale again, cow. And exhale, cat. And we'll do one more. These feel really good. You can do them anytime. Nice movement of the spine, really gentle, but very effective at making you feel better. And one more cat. Okay, from here, we'll do a bigger shoulder opener called puppy pose, or melting heart pose is another name for it. So you walk the hands forward, keep your hips high, and try to drop your heart down. And everyone's gonna look and feel a little bit different in your yoga postures. You just go as far as you can. If you can't breathe, you've gone too far.
Yeah, you can stay up here if you need to, for sure. And slowly.
And if you do feel super good and flexible, you can, over time, bend the elbows up. But if that's not happening, any way you're doing it is perfect. Okay, then when you come out, be really careful, go slow, be gentle. Don't want to come rushing out of the yoga poses. And from here, we'll do our biggest back bend called Camel Pose. You'll stand up on your knees about hip width distance apart, and then hands in your imaginary jean pockets. Inhale, lift your heart up, gently let your heart go back, and go back halfway. You can stay here if you're feeling good. You can reach your right hand down, grab your heel, left hand down, grab your heel, and breathe. Push your heart up, push your hips forward. And then very, very slowly, bring your left hand to your left hip, right hand to your right hip. Slowly come back up. Good, and from here, sit on your heels, and we'll take a child's pose. So knees can come wide, bring your forehead down to the floor, arms relax. You can also bring your arms back behind you, grab your heels so the shoulders can drop down and stretch. Either way is the right way. Okay, and slowly come back out. Now we'll just lie down on your back here. And we'll do, there are two names for this pose. It's called Happy Baby or Dead Bug.
Yeah.
Lie down.
Your choice.
Your choice. Grab the outsides of your feet. Knees bend down to the outside of your body. And then you can rock side to side, just be gentle. And then for more of a hamstring stretch from here, you can change the grip to the inside of your foot and then practice straightening one leg at a time. You can hold it or you can move faster, really up to you. That's the wonderful thing about yoga is it's just about you feeling good. So whatever makes you feel the best today. If you do it tomorrow, you might practice a little bit differently. Okay, one more posture. Well, two more technically. So legs all the way up. Legs just straight up. And then relax. Okay, we'll do two little breathing exercises here at the end before we do Savasana. Savasana is always the last posture. So the first one we'll do is called blowing in firm position. This is firm position when you're sitting kneel down position, knees, feet together. This is a really energizing breath. It's only exhales through your mouth, like you're blowing out a bunch of birthday candles in front of you, and your inhale will happen automatically. Sit up nice and tall so your spine is straight. You can also, if this hurts your knees, do this sitting cross-legged. Your spine should just be straight. And concentrate one spot, somewhere in front of you, and go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very energizing breath. If you practice that, you might notice that, woo, you feel a little bit excited. Okay, one more. This one's really fun.
Love it.
You're gonna look silly and you just have to be okay with it. It's called lion's breath, and it's the only thing in yoga that we do that stretches your tongue. So you take a deep breath, and then as you exhale, you open your mouth and stick your tongue out, and you open your eyes as wide as you can too. So you look very silly, but it's very fun.
We'll be silly together.
Okay, we're gonna do two really good ones. So you inhale, fill all the way up. Exhale. Let it out. Okay, one more. It feels so good. You just let it out. Ready? One more. Woo. And that's it. Okay, now you take one more Savasana. Always one more time to just slide down.
The best part of class.
And take as long as you want in Savasana to relax. Already feeling better.
Oh my goodness, thank you, Rachel.
Yeah.
You're the best.
That went, we did one take.
We did one take. Thank you. Bye, kids.